Now renting sign is up. Makes me sad because it means usually somebody's died. And that's the case for sure. Sad. I wish we had more trees like this. When I lived in Toronto on Willow Ave, we had big tall trees going over the street, along the way. These ones are nice though. I'm glad these are here at least. That one over there. It is Thursday, October 23rd, 2014. It's 5:59 p.m. I'm having a good day. Like I received, I went over and picked up my books from the bookstore across the street, that were shipped for free. So, like, I got like, oh, it's dark. I got that book. Okay, poetry. I got this book by a woman who has my name. Amp Dawn, How Poetry Saved My Life. And I also got another book, but it's not poetry related. And then I received a couple zines. But then on Twitter, Poetry is Dead is a great lit mag. I've got okay, sorry. I'm gonna have to turn on the light. Oh my goodness. These are my literary magazines. They're at the bottom of the shelf only because I've got all these poetry books. Like I'm running out of shelf room anyway with poetry. See, these are anthologies, and I'm running out of room. Anyway, Poetry is Dead would be... Poetry is Dead. Where are you, Poetry is Dead? I know I have you. Some of these are out of order. Okay, well, Poetry is Dead is somewhere down here because I keep all my mags. So, oh, there's a Poetry is Dead. See? Look at that. Poetry is Dead. I think this was a mental health issue. I'm not sure. Anyway, they're great, and, sorry, this is so exciting. So they said, I saw this tweet. This is the only one I saw, because I haven't been watching Twitter constantly. It says, use a hashtag, Poetry is Dead, anytime for, I don't know what 1 p.m. PST is, to be in a draw. And it was for a subscription. Look. Okay? And so, oh, and they've just DM'd me because they want my address. Because, I'm one of the 10 winners. I'm one of 10. So I'm one of 10. And my tweet was, whoever said poetry is dead is lying, I tell you. And then I won. So I'm gonna reply to the direct message that they added me, and I'm gonna reply to them. So I'm just really excited. I'm really excited. Email your address. So I'm gonna. Oh my gosh. Seriously, I'm so happy about getting a free lit mag. I mean, you can see I have some subscriptions that are running out soon, but here's Contemporary Verse 2. So I am a supporter of lit mag. So it wasn't like I just entered something for like the, you know, I actually like care. And Poetry is Dead is awesome. So I'm gonna calm down. It's just I wanna. Poetry is good. All's good. It's 11:10 p.m. What is it? Friday? No, Thursday. Thursday, October 23rd, 2014. I got the candle lit. I've got some peppermint tea steaming hot in my tumbler. Not the website, but the mug-ish thingy. The tumbler. Look, I'm using I'm posting to the Tumblr. Wait, where's my post-it notes? I'm gonna make a joke, okay? Watch this. See, I know how to post on the Tumblr. I'm a social. Wait, I'm trying it. I'm posting. It's post-it note. I'm posting on the Tumblr. I is social media expert. Social media guru. I posted on the Tumblr. Okay, well, that would have been funny if somebody cooler had done it. But I thought of it, so anyway. Well, probably somebody else thought of it. Actually, aren't these great? These were from Fiona. She gave me these, and as you can see, my paranoia has allowed me to put the Daleks over my webcams. But, yeah. I'm posting on my Tumblr. See? Will it stick? Yay! It's now a sticky post. I wonder if anyone will reblog this Tumblr post. Okay, I'm done. I did my 750 words or more of the day. I'm getting tired of titles, so that's what my title is. In conclusion, peppermint tea. I do not mention peppermint tea in the post at all. It'll be only in this vlog, where you know that I've got peppermint tea. And, yeah, so, I made myself sad, though. I wrote about paper journals, because I'm watching I'm sorry. I'm watching journal vlogs. She's talking about, you know, reading her diaries, and she's like a one of many in all my tabs of people sharing their, see, like, she's sharing her journal collection, and this person's going to share their journal collection after an advertisement, which I can't even
Is your kitchen a little too...
Oh, I like the Property
kitschy?
Brothers.
The 80s
Oh my
color, and it wants
goodness.
your bathroom back. And
These guys are great. Sorry. But yeah, I think I'm watching booktube videos, but I'm watching people read their journals. So, because I love journaling, as you guys know. And so I wrote about that, but then I got all sad because there's this thing, and I've heard other people say it, if there was a fire, they would grab their journals. And that always used to be what I'd say, but when there actually was a fire, I actually just grabbed the lion cat. And so I wrote about that, and then I got really sad because I miss him. Because he's gone. Congrats, your video's now on YouTube. Like that matters. So, anyway, junk. Ooh. What? I added some supernatural people, and they're suggesting people for me now. Yeah, I kind of... the other excitement of the day is that, my husband showed me the trailer for the new Avengers film, and the bad guy has the voice of James Spader, who most people know him now for The Blacklist. But me, growing up in the 80s, I knew him as James Spader, the snotty rich kid that was so hot and horribly mean, but so hot in all those 80s movies. And then I really liked him in Boston Legal, even though he got big lawyery fat cat. He was awesome. I loved that role. Him and William Shatner, just super. And so I was really glad to see him come out on The Blacklist. Like, he's just such a great, he's such great fun in that character. So for him to be a bad guy voice in The Avengers just is perfectly brilliant. I didn't sound as excited when my husband showed me, but I really actually am very excited because he's perfect. He's perfect for it. He's got the ability to be good and so bad and good, bad and sexy. He's always been, oh my goodness. Okay, so I've had a great day overall, except for making myself sad over my cat who's gone. You know, that's, I can't explain it, how sad it makes me that Missing Lion is missing Hagrid all over again. You know, like, Hagrid only went a few years ago as well. Like, a couple years ago, or, I don't know. A couple years after I moved into that apartment. Either way, losing Lion is losing Hagrid again, losing them both. I've mentioned this before, and both of them were my boys for the longest time. Since my early 20s. And I'm 36, and Lion died before my birthday, June 30th. My birthday's July 25th, so he made it to my 35. Yeah, it hurts. It really hurts tonight. I feel such grief from my cats, and some people are so horrible about animals, but they were my boys. But me and Miss Kitty Meow, we're getting along good today. So I especially made her happy when I sprayed some catnip. She had a great time with that. And she comes over to me and says hello a lot. Although tonight she's chilling. And I'm very lucky. And I think I'm allowed to grieve. And there's no, as I wrote here, I said, what did I say? No, okay, I didn't get all weepy. I actually started to cry a bit. I don't have to be over it yet. Grief doesn't have a set schedule, a specific timeline. So I can feel, basically, it's my grief and I can cry if I want to. Okay, so the peppermint tea is a little less steamy, so I'm gonna, well, no, it's still pretty steamy, but I'm gonna have some. And I'll probably get a head start on my journaling for today, because getting that done for the new day, I mean, means I don't have to worry about it later on today. So, because like last night I wrote at 1:20 a.m., right? So the point is that I'm writing. I hope people are doing okay. I'm all over the place, but I'm here. I want to read tonight, so I'm gonna shut up now.